Planning a getaway this June or July, whether you are craving misty hills, thundering waterfalls, or peaceful backwaters, India becomes a monsoon wonderland. In the next few minutes, we will reveal the top 10 must visit destinations across India that truly come alive during the June and July season. Stay till the end to discover one underrated gem most tourists miss. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel India Bites and Sights for more travel hacks and hidden gems from across India. First up, Munnar. Located in the western Ghats of Kerala, Munnar turns into a misty paradise during the monsoon season. Imagine waking up to lush tea gardens stretching endlessly across hills. Cool breeze, the scent of wet earth, and clouds rolling over the valleys. Don't miss Eravikulam National Park, Muttupatti Dam, and local cardamom spice farms. Perfect for honeymooners, nature photographers, and peace seekers. Best time to visit is June to mid-July, right when the rain breathes life into every corner. Number 2 is Valley of Flower, Uttarakhand. Trekking into the Valley of Flowers feels like stepping into a fairy tale land. This UNESCO World Heritage Site only opens from June to October, so don't miss it. And it's at its most vibrant in July month. With over 500 species of alpine flowers, cascading waterfalls, and snow-peaked mountains, it's one of India's most surreal monsoon experiences. Perfect for adventurers, solo travelers, and those looking for a spiritual connection with nature. Number 3. On the list, Coorg, the Scotland of India, South India to say, is a monsoon marvel. The coffee estates simmer in rain, waterfalls gush into energy, and mist clogs the hill. Enjoy a cup of fresh filter coffee with views of Abbey Falls or go on a trek through dense forest trails. Here is a pro tip, don't miss it. Try Coorgi Pandi Curry. It's soulful in the rain. Number 4. Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. You must have heard about it by now. Welcome to Cherrapunji, one of the wettest places on earth. Think rain-soaked cliffs, whispering caves, and the incredible living root bridges, handmade by nature and local over centuries. If you love the rain, this is your ultimate destination. A bonus tip. Nearby Molingnong, Asia's cleanest village, is worth a detour. Number 5 on the list is Lonavala and Khandala in Maharashtra. Just a quick drive from Mumbai. Lonavala and Khandala are weekend favorites for good reasons. Gushing waterfalls, foggy mountain drives, and the roadside bhutta, local corn, create the perfect monsoon vibes. And in some hot chai and treks to Tiger Leaps or Duke Nose, it's a dream for city dwellers in need of quick escape. Number 6 on the list, Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. I have recently been to this place this year itself. Hidden away in northeast India, Tawang is a peaceful jewel. At 10,000 feet above sea level, it's not your typical monsoon spot, but that's what makes it magical. Visit ancient monasteries, high altitude lakes like Madhuri Lake, and enjoy serenity with Buddhist chants echoing in the mountains. Great for offbeat travelers and culture lovers. Next on the list is Udaipur, Rajasthan. Yes, it's a tourist destination, even during monsoon. Think Rajasthan is all desert and heat? Think again now. In monsoon, Udaipur transforms into a royal escape. The lakes fill up, palace drizzles in rain, and the Aravalli hills turn green. Take a boat ride on the lake Picola, dine with a view at City Palace, and enjoy cultural evenings with traditional music and dance. What more? Destinations. Number 8. Mount Abu, Rajasthan again. So it's a hill station, the only hill station in Rajasthan. Mount Abu is a monsoon blessing. With cool weather, misty mornings, and boating at Naki Lake, it's relaxing getaway. Don't forget the sunset at Honeymoon Point and the visit to the ancient Dilwara temples, which look even more mystical in the rain. Guess the next destination? Yes, you're right, it's Goa. Absolutely yes, even during monsoon it looks fabulous. With fever crowd, dramatic waves, and lush greeneries, Goa becomes a romantic hideaway. Visit spice plantations, explore Portuguese-era villages, and enjoy beach cafes without the hustle. Skip the parties and embrace Goa's soulful, rainy side. Number 10 on the list is the least visited place but definitely a must visit during monsoon. It's Agumbe, Karnataka. Ready to explore a rainforest in India? Yes, Agumbe, often called the Cherrapunji of South, is raw, wild and beautiful. It's also home to king cobras and lush biodiversity. Think jungle tiles, untouched waterfalls, and off-grid living. Ideal for eco-tourists, wildlife lovers, and documentary-style travelers. So from lush tea gardens of Munnar to the hidden rainforest of Agumbe, India's monsoon magic is simply unmatched. With these dreamy destinations, are you adding to your June-July bucket list now? Drop your favorite now in the comment section. And if you want a part 2 with hidden food spots or budget stays, comment yes. And we will make it happen. Like, share and subscribe for more quick travel tips. Thank you for watching.